E-commerce is the process of buying and selling tangible products and service online. It involves more than one party along with the exchange data of currency to process transaction. It is part of the greater industry that is known as electric business or e-business, which involves all of the process required to run a company online. A booming e-commerce business takes institution, knowledge of your market, a solid business plan, a careful research into products and business models. The business models is simplify a working description that includes the general details about the operation of a business. The components that are contained within the model will address all functions of a business, including such as factors as the expenses, revenues, operating strategies, corporate structure, and sales and marketing procedures. Some business complement a successful traditional mail-order business with an online shopping site, or move completely to web-based ordering. Many people were excited about the use of B2C on the internet because this new communication medium allowed business and customers to get connection in the entirely new ways. The opportunities and the challenges posed by the B2C. Number 1. Inexpensive cost. Big opportunities. Once on the internet, opportunities are immense as companies can market their products to the whole world without much additional cost. Globalization. Even being in a small company, the web can make you appear to a big player, which simply means that the playing field has been labeled by e-business. The internet is accessed by millions of people around the world. Number 3. Reduce operation cost. Selling through the web means cutting down on paper cost, customer support cost, advertising cost, and other processing costs.
Today we'll be discussing about the two major types of e-commerce, the B2B or the business to business and the B2C or the business to consumer. Let's delve into what they are, their advantages, and how they differ.
B2B is that model of e-commerce whereby a company conducts its trading and other commercial activity through the internet and the customer is another business itself. This essentially means commercial activity between companies through the internet as a medium. There are 5 major advantages of B2B. The first is direct interaction with customers. This is the greatest advantage of e-business. The second one is the focused sales promotion. This information gives authentic data about the likes, dislikes, and preferences of clients and thus helps the company bring out focused sales promotion, drives which are aimed at the right audience. The third one is building customer loyalty. It has been observed that online customers can be more loyal than other customers if they are made to feel special and their distinct identity is recognized and their concerns about privacy are respected. It has also been found that once the customers develop a binding relationship with a site and its product, they do not like to shift loyalties to another site or product. The fourth one is scalability. This means that the web is open and offers round-the-clock access. This provides an access never known before to the customer. This access across locations and time zones. And the last one is savings in distribution cost. A company can make huge savings in distribution, logistical, and after-sales support cost by using e-business models. Typically, examples are computer companies, airline, and telecom companies. Process for business-to-business transactions and models. B2B interactions involve much more complexity than B2C. For instance, typical B2B transactions include, among others, the following steps. The first is review catalogs, second is identify specification, third is define requirements, fourth is post request for proposals, fifth is review vendor reputation, sixth is select vendor, seventh is fill out purchase orders, and eighth is send purchase orders to vendors, ninth is prepare invoice, and 10th make payment, and 11 arrange shipment, and last, organize products inspection and reception. Business to consumer or the B2C. B2C business model sells its product directly to a customer. A customer can view products shown on the website of business organization. The customer can choose a product and order. The same website will send a notification to the business organization via email, and the organization will dispatch the product goods to the customer. The B2C models involves transactions between business organization and consumers. It applies to any business organization that sells its products or services to consumers over the internet. These sites display product information in an online catalog and store it in a database. Consumers are increasingly going to online to shop for purchased products, arrange financing, arrange shipments or take delivery of digital products such as software, and get service after the sale. B2C e-business includes retail sales, often called a retail or a e-tail, and other online purchases such as airline tickets, entertainment venue tickets, hotel rooms, and shares of stock. B2C companies divide into 5 major categories: direct sellers, online intermediaries, advertising-based models, community-based models, and fee-based models. Each type is so different from others that they are not directly comparable. In fact, some B2C businesses utilize more than one type to reach a different audience. The first is direct seller. Direct sellers such as online retailers sell a product or services directly to the customer via a website. You can further divide direct sellers into e-tailers and manufacturers. The second one is online intermediaries. Online intermediaries perform the same functions as any broker. The business allows non-B2C companies to reap some benefits. Brokers offers buyers a service and help sellers by altering the price setting processes according to economics professors. The third one is advertising-based models. Popular websites rely on advertising-based models. These websites offer free service to consumers and use advertising revenue to cover costs. The fourth one is community-based models. Community-based models combine the advertising method that relies on traffic at sites that focus on specialized groups to create communities. Community sales and advertising take advantage of social network marketing by focusing on specific groups that want specific products. And the last one is fee-based models. Pay-as-you-buy or paid subscription services fall under fee-based models. The most common of these are online subscription to journals or movie sites such as Netflix. These companies rely on the quality of their content to convince consumers to pay a usually nominal fee. The B2C and B2B differences. First is their target audience. The B2B targets businesses, while B2C targets individual consumers. In transactions complexity, the B2B transactions involve more steps and approvals, while the B2C purchases are typically simpler. In customer relationship, the difference is the B2B relationships are often long-term and built on trust, while the B2C relationships are generally more transactional. Examples. The B2B examples are the Alibaba, the wholesale marketplace and Office Depot B2B division, selling office supplies to businesses. B2C examples are the Amazon, Apple online store, and Nike online store. The B2B and B2C cater to different markets using the power of e-commerce. Both offer tremendous advantages for businesses and revolutionize how we conduct commerce.
Here are types. Types is B2C companies divide into 5 major categories: direct sellers, online intermediaries, advertising-based models, community-based models, and fee-based models. 1. Direct sellers. Direct sellers, such as online retailers, sell a product or service directly to the customer via our website. 2. Online intermediaries. Online intermediaries perform the same function as any other broker. 3. Advertising-based models. Community-based and models combine traffic at sites that focus on specialized groups to create communicates. 5. Free-based models. Pay as you buy or paid subscription service fall under fee-based models. Consumer to consumer, C2C. It is the C2C model involves transaction between consumers. Second,
B2C.
consumer to
It's what
business,
most people
C2B.
think of when they hear
It is
e-commerce.
then the model a consumer approaches a website showing multiple business organization for a particular service. Third, business to government, B2G, is a variant of B2B model. Fourth, government to business, G2B. It is a government uses B2G model website to approach business organizations. Fifth is a government to citizen or G2C. It uses G2C model website to approach citizen and general. Such websites support auctions of vehicles, machinery, or any other material.
Delivery frameworks for e-commerce business. Once you determined which model best fits your business, the next step is to identify the delivery method that meets your needs and requirements. 1. Drop shipping. 2nd, subscription services. 3rd, wholesaling. 4th, private labeling. 5th is white labeling. The first, the drop shipping, in which a business products are stocked, packaged, and shipped by a third-party supplier. Second, subscription services, sending your products to customers over an extended period of time at consistent, predetermined intervals. The third, the wholesaling, purchased in large quantities, then sold in retailers. Fourth, private labeling. Business will hire a third-party manufacturer to create their own unique product. Fifth is white labeling. Product manufactured by one company, then packaged and sold by other companies under various brand names. Choose the e-commerce business model. First, understand your customers. Knowing who your customers will drive overall success on many levels. Second, understand your value proposition. Knowing where you excel and what you do not do well is vital for strategy. Third, sell your product in a way that makes sense for your customers. It involves deeply understanding their needs, preference, and pain points. E-commerce sales life cycle model means that the process of selling products or services generally follows a series of steps and phases. First, searching for the item. The customer will search online for the items. Second, selection and negotiation. The customers filled out a request for quotation form by entering item codes and quantities needed. Third is purchasing. The customers completes the purchase order by sending complete electronic form. Fourth is the product and service delivery. The product or services is delivered via internet or some by courier. Fifth, after-sales service. Many after-sales questions are answered through the websites of the companies.
To delivery process with e-commerce. So, order to delivery process with e-commerce is the principal means by which buyers or customers communicate with sellers. The final sale transaction is made and cash is generated for the seller. So order fulfillment process is the process of receiving goods, then processing and delivering orders to customer. Order fulfillment process starts with the customer placing an order and ends once they receive it. However, if the buyer wants to return a product, order fulfillment manages the return transaction as well. So steps in the order fulfillment process. First is the receiving inventory. It is the process of gathering the products directly from manufacturers or suppliers at local fulfillment centers. This process may include the ensuring items count. Second, a thorough inspection of product for any damages. And the last one is ensuring product entry to warehouse management software. Process of order fulfillment is organizing inventory. The third is picking. When an order is placed or the app or website, it needs to be tracked across existing inventories for pick and pack. Fourth is the packaging. Packaging involves choosing the right type of packaging box for the ordered product and packaging it to ensure safe delivery. Fifth is the shipping. Once the order is collected from the fulfillment center and is placed securely, you can ship it. You can choose from third-party shipping, merchant shipping, or the drop shipping as your mode of shipping orders. In case you go with the merchant shipping, there are further sub-categorized form of shipping that you can enable. On your e-commerce platform, the customers can choose what type of shipping they would like to go with based on what they pay for it. For instance, the Magento e-commerce platform offers free shipping. Free shipping is proven way to improve sales on your e-commerce store. You can set a minimum purchase amount for making an order eligible for free shipping. Third, the table rates. Table rates, that gathered data table, is used to calculate shipping rates. The factors on which this rate is calculated include weight, destination, price, and the number of items. Last is the in-store delivery. The customer can choose a pick-up price for the order made implementing BOPIS or Buy Online Pick-up Store.
Types of fulfillment. First is third-party fulfillment. Refers to the outstanding order fulfillment process. Manage everything from receiving inventory from merchants to order fulfillment. 2. Merchant fulfillment is also known as self-fulfillment or in-house fulfillments and refers to handling order on your own without any party fulfillment. 3. Drop shipping is an order fulfillment method where the order received is forwarded to the manufacturer who then handles the shipments and logistic process. Find suitable order fulfillment strategy. There are 4. 1. Order volume. 2. E-commerce platform. 3. Geographical location. 4. Delivery time. Important of orders fulfillment. First, ensure timely delivery. 2. Better inventory management. And 3. Streamline supply chain pipeline. And 4. Satisfied and happy customers. 5. Higher conversion rates leading in increased revenues. And 6. Offer a chance to be fast and collaborative.